APR33A3 voice recorded and playback module. So this is APR33A3 voice recorded and playback module. So here VCC ground 5 volts power supply ground, and this is speaker point plus and minus speaker point, and this is record mode and playback mode, downside record mode, upside playback mode, and this is for the testing point. Okay, so this should be connected to the ground. Okay, so now I am connected the speaker 8 ohm speaker. So here plus and minus connected, and one I am taking the 5 volts power supply module. So power supply is giving here, and I'm taking small power supply board, so giving the input. Okay, so power on. So this is 5 volts power supply module, and this is APR33A3 voice recorded and playback. So we are testing previously recorded the voice or not. Hello. Okay, so second slot M1, M2, M3, M4. So there is no voices. Now I am removing the voice. Okay, just give input and release, press and release. Okay, so for M0 slot deleted, M1 slot deleted, M2 slot deleted, M3 slot deleted, M4 slot deleted, M5 slot deleted. Just give and release, press and release. Okay, so now I am going to give the input 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. You need to give continuous and give the voice 7 8 9 7 8 9. Okay, now I am going to playback mode. Go to upside. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 release 1 2 3. Then you give the input 4 5 6 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6 4 5 6. And this one 7 8 9 7 8 9 7 8 9 7 8 9. Okay, if you want to erase those voices, press it. Just give and release, press and release. So now I'm going to test whether it is there or not. Voice is there or not. There is no voice. There is no voice. There is no voice. Okay, now I'm going to record it. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? How are you? Today holiday. Today holiday. So now playback. Playback.